These numbers. Now, the reason it's upside down is so you could write out the word track and then role play with your partner. If you listen to a lot of salespeople present these numbers, they go like this. Don't buy the car. Let's argue like a lot. That doc fee, I don't even know what that is. The premium safety package, I told them they should stop putting that on the car, but they didn't listen to me. What do I know? The tax, we don't get that. That goes to the government. You have your tag fees. I know you wanted nothing down. You don't want to go here. You shouldn't even go here. You don't go there unless what? Unless they go there. We're not lying to anybody. We're not cheating anybody. We're 100% honest. I just don't go here because I know it makes it harder to sell the car. We don't need to go here unless they go here. Just present the payment. And if they need information about this, just answer their question honestly. Is that your best price on the car? That's an excellent price for the way this car is equipped. It's got the two-tone leather, the backup camera, the navigation, the lane assist. It's got every piece of equipment you can put on the car. It really, really is a great deal. Go ahead and sign right here. Let's clean this thing up and you can take it home. What's the value for my trade? We're giving you $27,000 for your car. We're paying it off. We need your car. We want your car. And you just try and close on it. You want to present the payments. Play with someone I haven't played with today. Sorry, it's me and you. Congratulations. You know what you did? You got the hardest part of this whole thing over with. You know what the hardest part about buying cars? No, just picking out one that you like. And I'm so excited that we got this XLE Camry, two-tone leather, lane assist, all the stuff. I love this car. These numbers are based on the Camry that we just drove. All I need you to do is circle the payment that works for you, sign at the bottom, and we'll get your new car cleaned up and ready for immediate delivery. Based on the vehicle that you selected and the current market value of your vehicle, this is on the car that we just drove, we got some awesome payments here for you. All I need you to do is circle the payment that works for you, sign at the bottom, and we'll get your new car cleaned up and ready for delivery. You just put it in front of the person. And the reason all these boxes are blurred out is because it just doesn't matter. Regardless of what it says here, you can still present the payment the exact same way. Now, I know the majority of the people in the room don't structure their own car deals. But why does it say 60 months there? What's the reason it says 60 months, not 84 on the first pass? Why?
You gotta leave yourself somewhere to go.
Got to leave yourself somewhere to go. Good. If the person wants zero down, I'm still going to show them money down. Worst case, I just show them their taxes and fees. Well, I wanted zero down. What's that $30,000 for? Oh, the $3,000 just covers the majority of your taxes and fees. If you need it to be zero, if you want to finance the tax, we can do that for you. I've never put money down on a car in my entire life. Probably financed, 25 cars or something. I've never put any money down. I either pay cash or I finance the whole thing. So if I was financing a car and I saw that $3,000 down, I'd be like, hey, can you take the $3,000 out? You got to give people room to win. So you want short-term, money down. You also want an average APR. Toyota has 2.9 again, right? 2.9 for what? 36, okay? So if somebody wants short-term, I'm not showing 2.9, 36. I'm showing like 6.9, 36. Why? Because I want the person to go, hey, can I get that 2.9? We're not doing it to mess with people. We're doing it so they can win. Congratulations, you picked out the perfect vehicle. All I need you to do is circle the payment that works for you, sign at the bottom, and we'll get your new car cleaned up and ready for delivery. That is so much different than the retail value of the price is this. There's a rebate on this. Unfortunately, we couldn't do a discount. Your trade value is stop going over this stuff. Let's write this presentation down, please.